Greetings people, my name is Brein Yaad, representing Japipo's camp. Alright, today we come to you with a very interesting topic, Jamaican plurals. Patois plurals, the word them. Straight we go. Most of us who speak English, we very well know that to change the singular of a noun into plural, you have to change that noun by adding other letters such as S, ES, IES, or some words completely change. For example, sister would be sisters, mango, mangoes, monkey, singular, and monkeys, that's plural. Friend, friends, child, children, fly, flies, person, people, etc. Some words don't change, like ammunition, furniture, cutlery, etc. Whereas in Jamaican patois, to change the singular of a noun into plural, you simply add the word them after or at the end of that noun to make that noun plural. Check this. Girl, that is singular. Girl them, that is plural. Monkey, monkey them. Friend, friend them. Picnic, picnic them. People, peep them, etc. In some cases, where a noun refers to a group, the word them is still added for plural emphasis. For instance, the people would be expressed as the peep them, ammunition them, furniture them, cutlery them, teeth them. The only instance where them can be used before a noun is when a speaker wants to mean those or these. For example, them gyad, those girls, them thing, those things, or them gyalya, these girls, them boy, those guys. Don't forget that the word them also stands for both they and them. On the contrary, a Jamaican can use the plural to mean the singular, especially when the object in question is very small. So, a bee is referred to as one bees, a bee, and one ant is an ant. A mouse, especially if it's very tiny, is sometimes called one micey, which means a mouse. Are we clear, people? So we go to the main table of examples. As you can see from this table, patois on my left, the first column, is headed patois or patois plural, and the second column is English equivalent. Now, we start with unu, sometimes spelled as double O-N-U or sometimes spelled as U-double-N-U or una. So, unu. And when you check on the English side, unu means you, plural. If you're talking about one person, you say, you girl, you girl. If you're talking about many people, you say unu. So the plural of you is unu, whereas in English the singular is you and the plural is you. You girl, you people. Jamaican, you girl, unu. So we go straight to the example in brackets, unku over deso. Unku over deso, which means you look over there. Thief them, and this stands for thieves. Thief them. Thief them fi dead. Thieves should die. The word fi, that preposition fi. We shall talk about prepositions in detail, and you will get to know that English is so different from Jamaican. But just to give you a glimpse of the word, the preposition fi. First of all, fi means for. Them think they know fi me. Them think they know fi me. Those things are not for me. Where are fi me? Where are fi me? What do you have for me? So, fi can mean for. And then fi can as well mean to. It's a preposition to before a verb. Remember, a verb is a doing word. If you want to say, I want to swim, I want to sleep, I want to eat, I want to run, all those words have to dash, to dash, to dash. That to is in Jamaican is fi. Me want to sleep, me want to swim, me want to run, me want to eat, me want to nyam, me want to mention it. So we use fi to mean to, and then we also use fi to mean should. You fi do it, you should do it. Thief them fi dead. Thieves should die. Alright, that is fi, but fi is so wide. We shall come to the prepositions and we know and modal verbs as well. Fi is also present. So just to give you a brief introduction about fi. It looks a very small word, 2 letters fi, but it is widely used. Anyways, thief them fi dead. Thieves should die. We got the next example. Peep them. Peep them no na go on. Peep them no na go on. Peep them is people. People don't know what's going on. Next, girl them. Girl them. My youth, kupandi girl them. My youth, kupandi girl them. Girl them is girls. My friend, look at the girls. That is, we assume that the girls are so cute, looking nice. Like who? No. Then next example, picnic them. Picnic them. If it's one child, we say picnic or picnic, and if there are many, we say children. That is English, but in Jamaican we say picnic them. So, example, afimi picnic them. Afimi picnic them. They are my children. Rastas replace picnic them with idren. Idren. Or sometimes Jamaicans use the word child. Child to mean child. Child them, children, but the most commonest is picnic them. Alright, we got next example. Saps them. Saps them. And all saps are males. And what does saps mean? It means gigolos. And then example, me no dey with saps them. Me no dey with saps them. I don't date gigolos. Who are gigolos? Gigolos are small boys, young boys, who think they have the energy to date very old women, especially rich women, but old, 50 years, 60 years, because these young boys don't want to work hard. So they opt to go for much older women who have got it all. They have cars, mansions, everything, money. So these guys are like there are more of sex workers, and then the old women give them everything they need. So gigolos, they date sugar mummies, just to be exact. So stick pan your girlfriend, you see me I say, work hard still, you go get money. Everything you need in life, you go buy it. Someday, Kia, Beamer, mansion, every blood clot thing. Sin, iPhone, every bomber clot thing. Work hard still. You don't need to go running after old women. Fewer. Alright, those are saps them, gigolos. Then, woman them, meaning women. And the example is, woman them no dirty. Woman them no dirty. You're talking to your wife. Women are not dirty. She enters bed. She wants to sleep in a knicker. So much heat. Women are not dirty. Woman them no dirty. Women are not dirty. Yes. Next example. 10. Figure 10. Jamaican says, me have 10 matcan in a me yard. Me have 10 matcan in a me yard. Which means I have 10 automatic guns in my home. Matcan, automatic gun or pistol. I have 10 pistols in my home. So, in this sense, when we use 10, 10 is already plural. So after matcan, we don't add the word them, because 10 has already shown us that we are dealing with plurals. Me have 10 matcan in a me yard. You don't say me have 10 matcan them. That is repetition, because 10 has already shown us that we are talking about plurals. So the automatic guns are more than one. So you don't need to re-emphasize the plural form of matcan by adding the word them. So we stop at me have 10 matcan in a me yard. Full stop. Mango them. Mangoes. Give me mango them. Someone is saying, give me mango them. Give me my mangoes. And next, them ya. Them dash dash ya. Them ya. Who them boy? Who them boy? Somebody's asking, who them boy? Who are these guys? Who are these guys? Then them dash dash de. Them de. Them boy de me friend. Them boy de me friend. Those boys are my friends. These are two examples where I told you that when we are talking about these or those, them comes before the noun. Them boy, these. Them boy, those. So you find that them is not placed after the noun boy or friend. It is before. That's when we are talking about these or those. Again, next, we say naf, which stands for a lot or many or much. Anything you want, you can use naf or enough. Enough is English, naf is Jamaican. A lot is English, naf is Jamaican. Many is English, naf is Jamaican. So, the example is, him get naf donsa. Him get naf donsa. He got a lot of money. Donsa. Or sometimes we say dance. Him get naf donsa. Sometimes we call it coil. Paper. So, he got a lot of money. Next, naf. Enough of them licksha dead. Enough of them licksha dead. Many of them are shot dead. When we say nafa, that article are replaces the English preposition of, and so we shall have nafa, nafa, naf of, nafa them licksha dead, many of. So the preposition of in Jamaican we don't have of, we say are. That's why we have so many. If you want to say two of them, two of them, five of them, five of them, one of them, one of them, none of them, none of them, some of them, some of them. So you get the word and you just add are to replace it with of, and are replaces preposition of in Jamaican. Yes, wolip, a lot. Wolip stands for a lot as well. Wolipagiad so. Wolipagiad so. A lot of girls are right there. And wolip comes from two English words which are wool heap. Like if you have sand piled up somewhere, somebody will say, you bring the whole heap of sand. You bring the whole heap of bananas. Everything, the whole heap. So in Jamaican, this word we add it together. We add those two words, whole heap, and we get whole heap. Whole heap. And whole heap of whole heaper, which means a lot or much or many. Wolipagiadeso, a lot of girls are right there. Then we go to al, which stands for all. And English we say all, A-double-L, but Jamaican we say al, double A-L, and that is the standard accent. All man gyalis save me. All man gyalis save me. All men are players except me. All men are philanderers except me. All men are Casanovas, players except me. Save. In English you say save me, or except or apart from. But in Jamaican we say save or save me. Apart from me, except me. Gyalis. A gyalis is a womanizer. When you get a skirt and you dress it around a tree, a womanizer may come and say, hello baby, what's your name? But he really sees it's a tree with a skirt. That is a gyalis. Alright. We go to plenty. Jamaican says plenty. Plentabusha nyamop mi compound. Plentabusha nyamop mi compound. Which means plenty of bush is eating up my compound. There's so much grass in your compound. You need to mow. You need to dig it. You need to slash it. Plentabusha nyamop mi compound. The day plenty room for everybody. The day plenty room for everybody. There's plenty of room for everybody. Then we go straight to bagger. And this is a combination of two words. Bag of. Remember I told you, preposition of is replaced by article are in Jamaican. Bagger. Them fool ya forward with bagger things. Them fool ya forward with bagger things. These fools came with a lot of things. Them fool ya forward with bagger things, or them fool ya come with bagger things. These fools came with a lot of things. And bagger comes from two words. Bag of. Bag of. Your friend comes and asks you, yo, bien Yaad wagwan. And your reply would be, if you have so much stories to tell him, you say, baga things are gwan, you know. Baga things, whole heap of things are gwan. Baga things are gwan. A lot of bag of things are going on. So much stuff is happening. Whole heap. A lot of things are gwan, you know. A lot of things are going on. Bag of things are gwan. So many things happening. So that is bagger for bag of or a lot of. And then we have bagger still. Al shago tell una bagger lie. Al shago tell una bagger lie. Bag of. All she's going to tell you is a bag of lies. All she's going to tell you is a lot of lies. All she's going to tell you is so much lies. That is bagger. Then we got X amount. X amount. And in most cases we don't even pronounce the T at the end of X amount. And the example is Demab X amount awataya. Demab X amount awataya. And X amount is used on uncountable nouns. For instance, in Jamaican, in English, we use such words on uncountable nouns like much, a lot, plenty. But if you use many, definitely you're talking about countable nouns like stones, tires, bicycles, cars, many. But if you're talking about love, sadness, water, tears, hair, in Jamaican, we use X amount, or nerve, or whole heap, or plenty. But in this case, somebody says, them have X amount of water. They have a lot of water here. And again, X amount, another example, X amount of love me have fishy. X amount of love me have fishy. I have a lot of love for her. Fishy, for her. Then we go to the other example, boops them. Boops them. And who are the boops them? Sugar daddies. Sugar daddies, boops them. Boops them can't angle me. Boops them can't angle me. Meaning, sugar daddies can't handle me. Sugar daddies, first of all, they are so old, they have money, and they can't perform in bed. He'll get on top of you, and before you know it, he's asleep and snoring. Those are sugar daddies. So, a girl says, boops them can't angle me. Probably she's still young, she has money, so she does not need any money from old men who can't do anything in bed. And a man who can do anything in bed, in Jamaican we call them 9.58 or birdman. Alright. The other example, thiwi. Thiwi, which means hour. A thiwi Yaad that. A thiwi Yaad that. A thiwi Yaad that. That is our home. And then, next example, fidem. Fidem. The iron bird, fidem own. The iron bird, fidem own. When we add the word own after fidem, or fi me own, fi she own, fi him own, fi we own, fi them own, whenever you add the word own at the end of those possessive pronouns, it means theirs. Fi me own, mine. Fi she own, hers. Fi him own, his. Fi them own, theirs. Fi we own, hours. So for them, the iron bad, for them own. Them iron bad. Sorry, them iron bad, for them own. Those planes are theirs. Again, we talk about plenty. Plenty comes again in play. Him need dollar plenty for the medication. Him need dollar plenty for the medication. He needs plenty of money for the medication. He needs plenty of dollars for the medication. Him need dollar plenty for the medication. He needs plenty of dollars. He needs plenty of money for the medication. Alright. And then them, which stands for there. Them, there. Them father come through the bush. Them father come through the bush. Their father is coming through the bush. Them tree. Those three. Them tree squaddy full of cri-cri. Them tree squaddy full of cri-cri. Them tree squaddy full of cri-cri. Those three officers are full of trickery. Squaddy, police officers. Squaddy. A squad is a police officer. Them three squaddy full of cri-cri. Those three officers are full of trickery. And in Jamaican, we don't say trickery, we say cri-cri to mean trickery. Again, fi unu. That school de fi unu own. That school de fi unu own, which means yours. That school is yours. Fi unu own, yours. And again, ting them. I think you know what this means. Everybody knows. Ting them. What kind of ting them there? And what kind of ting them there? What kind of things are those? Again, teach them. Remember, I told you in Jamaican accent, we don't have that accent of teeth, Bluetooth, width, length. We just have T-O-D. That's why words like with, we simply say weed. So, teach them, that is teeth, plural of, singular of, tooth. Teach them. You teach them white so. You teach them white so. Your teeth are so white. Now, we come to this section where we say avoid common repetitions with Jamaican Patois plurals. Definitely by Brein, Yaad. Let me give you examples. In English, we have what we call indefinite pronouns. Again, we have quantifiers or determiners. And what are they? These are words used with plural nouns and verbs, both uncountable and uncountable nouns. So we say, in English, there are a string of indefinite pronouns used on both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, any, several, some, few, most, none, all, many, a lot, much, plenty, among others. Likewise, even Patois has indefinite pronouns. For instance, enough, wallop, bands, penny, plenty, a lot, nout, beer, and X amount. Among these, enough, X amount, and plenty, those that are commonly used on uncountable nouns like love, water, sugar, soil, air, etc. Examanta Jesus wine. Examanta Jesus wine. A lot of rain. In Jamaican, instead of rain, we say Jesus wine. Okay, again, the other example, enough love, so much love. Plenty water, plenty of water. All girl, all girls, and a lot more. Those are uncountable nouns like water, love, rain, soil, air, sugar, water, love. So we all know that in Jamaican Patois, the word them is the chief changer of nouns into plural form. For instance, girl, girl, girl them, girls, gone, gun, gone them, guns. Note, because all the above listed indefinite pronouns like naf are used to remind us of the plural status of the noun in mention. So, if the speaker uses any of them before that noun, then automatically there's no need of the speaker adding the word them after that noun, because indefinite pronouns remind us that we are dealing with plural nouns. If the speaker uses the word them again after an indefinite pronoun, it may sound correct, but it's more of a repetition of pluralizing that very noun. You can't get it clear when I just talk. I'll show you examples on a table. Yes, here we are. Same thing applies to numbers. If there are 2 or more people, animals or objects, 2, 3, 4, 10 and above, these figures imply that the noun talked about is definitely plural. That is to say, they are more than one. So there's no need of adding them at the end of that noun. Any number above 1 is enough reminder that we are talking about plurals. It will sound like a repetition. In English, them say 10 boys, whereas it would be 10 boy in Patois. All girls in English would be all girl in Jamaican. Watch this. So we have this table. When you look at the top, having no plural, repetition. And then the other side, the last column says having plural, repetition. And what does it mean? In Jamaican, it is very true if someone says, them boy, them youth. Those guys are my friends. But this last one will have plural repetition. Them boy, them youth, them. Again, them has already come at the beginning of the sentence. Why put it again at the end of the sentence? It has to appear once. Them boy, them youth, them. That is not correct. Them boy, them youth. Those guys are my friends. Simple. Because them already shows us that the youths them are many. Alright. Next example. Them boy ya pre me. These guys watch me. Maybe it's a girl complaining. Every time she undresses to take a shower, them boy da pre she. Them boy ya pre me. These guys watch me. So, the repetition, the plural repetition would be them boy them. Them boy them ya pre me. That is wrong. Them boy them ya pre me. That is wrong. But we say them boy ya pre me. Simple. These guys watch me. Next example. Enough people. Enough people they over there so. Enough people they over there so. Many people are over there. We don't say enough people them they over there so. No. Next example. Wali pa man in a day. Wali pa man in a day. Many men are in there. We don't say whole heap a man them in a there, because whole heap already talks is for plural. So when you say man them and again you've used the whole heap, it is repetition. You simply say whole heap a man in a there. Men are there, or a lot of men are inside there. A lot of men are in there. Okay, next example. Examanta ya water. Examanta ya water. A lot of tears. Examanta ya water. A lot of tears. You don't say examanta ya water them, because we don't count tears. So when you say water them, it's as if water is a countable noun. But it's not. Examanta ya water. Full stop. Next, alata chups panshi. Alata chups panshi. A lot of kisses on her. You don't say alata chups them panshi, because alat is already plural. Next, don'sa plenty there. Don'sa plenty there. Plenty of money is here, or money is plenty here. You don't say plenty don'sa them there. No. Next, the man ab naf white liver. The man ab naf white liver. The man has a lot of libido. White liver, or we call it white liver, or sometimes we just say white liver. It means the same. Libido, lust, so much lust. Every time you see a girl, your pants swell up. Every time you see a baby, your pants swell up. Jesus Christ. What's up, man? So, are you using Viagra or some? So, white liver is libido. The man have enough white liver. The man has a lot of libido. You don't say the man have enough white liver them. Nothing like that. Next, him a 3 girl boner. He cheats with 3 girls. You don't say him a 3 girl them boner. Nothing like that. Him lick shot 6 man done. Him lick shot 6 man done. He has shot 6 men already. You don't say him lick shot 6 man them done. No way. Him lick shot 6 man done, because 6 is already plural. So you don't need to add them again after man, because 6 is already plural. Him lick shot 6 man done. Full stop. Correct. He has shot 6 men already. Remember, the word done means it can mean already or finished. Them done, they are finished. That's why we have words like done no. When a Jamaican says you're done no, it means you already know, which means done no is the English equivalent of done no is of course, definitely, most solemnly, of course. Yo, somebody is asking, Jamaican. Yo, Yaad, you are going to church today? You are going to church today? He's asking, Yaad, are you going to church today? Yaad, you are going to church today? And then your reply is simply what? Your reply is simply, don't know, don't know, you already know, of course. Don't know, of course, definitely, I have to praise the Lord. So, a man asks you, Sheila, you love me? Sheila, you love me? And then Sheila simply says, don't know, or don't know, of course. Most definitely. Dano, yeah, dano. Okay, that's by the way. Next example is Fimi man ab tu kaki. Fimi man ab tu kaki. Meaning my man has two dicks. Americans say cock to mean dick or penis. Cock. Jamaicans say kaki. And it's the Americans who copied the Jamaicans. Cock, kaki, dick. Fimi man have two kaki. My man has two dicks. Two is already showing us that we are talking about plurals. It's more than one. So we don't add the word them after kaki. Fimi man have two kaki them. That is repetition. Him born 10 man already. Him born 10 man already. He has killed 10 men already. We don't say him born 10 man them already. Nothing like that. To burn. The word burn in Jamaican Patois means to burn with fire, and we don't say burn, we say burn. And again, the word burn means to smoke weed. Them are born Haitians, don't they? Them are born Haitians, don't they? They are smoking weed down there. Again, the word burn means to kill. Miagobon unu. Miagobon unu. I am going to kill you. And again, the word burn, which is pronounced as born in Jamaican, means to cheat on somebody. To give somebody burn is to cheat on them. Me girl a Jimmy Bone. My girl is cheating on me. Me husband a Jimmy Bone. My husband is cheating on me. No bone him. No bone him. Don't cheat on him. So that is by the way still. Three fat leg there so. 3 fat leg there so. Which means 3 centipedes are right here. You don't say 3 fat leg them there so. Nothing like that. That is repetition. And in Jamaican, the word tree, T-R-E-E, has 2 meanings. One, it means a tree, the plant, with a stem and branches and leaves and taproots. A tree. Again, when you say tree, it means 3. 1, 2, 3. In English we say 3, but in Jamaican we say tree to mean 3, figure 3. Why? Because in Jamaican we don't have that accent of thi, Bluetooth, teeth, 3, earth, nothing like that. We simply say tree to mean 3 and tree to mean tree. So that's where we have 3 fat leg there so. 3 centipedes are right here. 40 leg. A centipede is a 40 leg. Then next, 2 head better than 1. 2 head better than 1. 2 heads are better than 1. You don't say 2 head them better than 1 because 2 is already plural. Again, al gyal yai. Al gyal yai depan money. Al gyal yai depan money. All girls' eyes are on money. We don't say al gyal dem yai depan money. That is repetition. Al gyal yai depan money. Standard. Correct. All girls' eyes are on money. Most girls, you find a very beautiful girl. And a very beautiful girl in Jamaica, and what do we call them? We call them tamale. Goodas. Goodas for them. Ukipus. Ribian. B. Christine. Chosel. Nikki. Jacqueline. All those words do mean a very beautiful girl. So you find a very beautiful girl with a very ugly man. Long teeth, big lips, too short, fat and stout. And then she's dead, she's comfortable because the guy has money. Yes, you can love a very ugly man with money, but think about your offsprings. What if your children resemble the husband? Who will treasure those kids? Anyway, that's not a map business. Alright, we are boli pagal in a bongo. We are boli pagal in a bongo. We have a lot of girls in a bando. You don't say we are boli pagal them in a bongo, nothing like that. You simply say we have boli pagal in a bongo. We have a lot of girls in a bando. Where I come from, Africa. Nafgial. Black is beauty. For some of you who didn't know, black is beauty. So we have Nafgial in a bongo. Nafgial, Nadia Buhari, Tiwa Savage, Shiba, Bettina, Tina, Woli Pagial. Anyways, next, Naf love me ab fi unu. Naf love me ab fi unu. I have a lot of love for you. You don't say Naf love them me ab fi unu. If you say Naf love them, it means love is counted. Love is not counted. You simply say Naf love me ab fi unu. I have a lot of love for you. Second last, Baga Kali we are binade. Baga Kali we are in. Baga Kali we are in. We have a lot of weed in there. You don't say Baga Kali them we are in there, nothing like that. Bag of a lot of, we have a lot of weed in there, inside there, in there. And otherwise to mean Kali is marijuana, weed, indica, sensimilia, Asians, as Rastas call it. Rastas don't say anything of the kind. They simply say Asians and other words. So, lastly, them fuller bagger chat. Them fuller bagger chat. They are full of so much talk. They are full of foolish talk. They are full of empty talk. Bagger chat, empty talk. You don't say them fuller bagger chat them because you don't count chat. Why add them after chat when it's not a countable noun? Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my name is Brein, Yaad, straight from Japipos camp. Thank you very much. Thank you. And those were Jamaican Plurals. Blessings.